It is time to start looking for a new job when you find yourself on a performance improvement plan. The reality is that the moment you are put on a PIP, there is no going back. As a matter of fact, I can count the amount of people who have been on a PIP that came back from it. The thing is that when you get on a PIP, people often assume it is game time for you to brush up yourself and start working hard to retain the job. If you actually like that job, I will encourage you to do so. But the thing is that the time that you are put on a PIP, the manager or the company are basically just creating the paper trail at that point in time to justify if you are going to be kept on a job or let go eventually. So the moment that you find yourself on a PIP, the wise thing to do is to start job hunting. Go onto your profile, pick up your resume, dust it up, go to LinkedIn, optimize your LinkedIn so that you can get other eyeballs or other recruiters so that they can come to your profile and give you a chance to get a new job. Yes, I know, it's a bummer. It's called a PIP and you think it's the opportunity for you to prove yourself. But the reality is that even when you get off the PIP, the relationship and the trust between you and the organization is already broken. So in my own opinion, it is no longer time for you to fix that. The time right now is to go out there and look for other opportunities that you can pursue. And I hope that works out well. To the next one, it could be.